should go for the original one, or they should want to see something authentic, they can go for the old Ramayana. But I don't know means what is the movie saying, but they are saying 600 crore rupees have been spent, so they have done something remarkable. They must have done something good. That's why they have spent 600 rupees. They are also very intelligent people. They are businessmen. They are not going to spend the money like this. So they have also, or they must have thought about something about it. Anybody else who would like to say? Sir asked a very good question. What is the use? What is the use of watching Ramayana if you can't implement that in your life? And what is the role of Ram? Or what is the role of Rama, Sita, or other characters of Ramayana if they do not teach you anything, or you are unable to implement those things in your life? So what is the meaning for you of Ramayana? Important is this. Yes.
Sir, this is very good, and this is the main question actually people doesn't care about nowadays. So everyone should be. The first thing is that everyone has some different views. How people are taking it, because there are some sub-levels in the understanding of every individual. And what I think, what kind of message Ramayana can give is that first one is Rama. He didn't become Ram by his name. He became Ram by the process, by the life, and it took a time. So definitely it was not about only his name, or it was not only about his Mahal or dynasty. No, it was not. He became Rama because he used to do Dandavat Pranam every morning to his father. Whatever he did with the Sita at the end, but he proved that he is the actual husband, that how a husband should care about his wife. And so yes, Ram, there's a comment, even I have put it in my Instagram, जब नाश मनुष्य पर छाता है तो पहले विवेक मर जाता है. So that's it. How much you are educated, how much you are knowledgeable, it doesn't matter. But if you don't have any vivek, you will not lead any kind of opportunity in your upcoming time. So you should have vivek like Ramayana.
Beta, have you ever pondered what Ramayana and Mahabharata are the epics of Kali Yuga? Have you ever thought why Gita is so popular in Kali Yuga? Have you ever thought why the character of Rama is taught to you? Shri Krishna is being taught to you, Rama is being taught to you. Even nowadays, songs are being made on the Ravana also, Ravan Human. I think you must have heard all these things. Why are these things being taught to you? Have you ever pondered about it? Have you ever churned about it?
In my point of view, so there is a
Keep it close.
okay. There is a lot of songs created by crazy people. They using a bad word for this our culture. They using a Ravana. What the means of Ravana? It's a
Ravana is also being glorified nowadays. It is not good.
actually. I think he and she stole their power. That I am how much I had, and so there they as they think that I am a that person who not killed, or who that I say that some kind of words.
He has spoken very well. When you glorify Ravana, so it means you want to show the society you should be Ravana. And those people who like and sing such songs, they also want to show that they are like Ravana. They can't be defeated, they can't be killed. They are here to show the power, and they can do whatever they want to do. Okay. So anything else you would like to see? Okay. Anyone? Okay. Let me ask a question to you. What do you learn by the character of Sita ji? What do you learn by the character of Sita ji? You must have heard or seen about Sita ji. So what do you learn by that? Because every husband wants Sita.
Yes.
Every husband wants Sita. Why do they want Sita, and what are the qualities of Sita, or what have you learned from the character of Sita ji?
Sir, actually, when we talk about the Sita, she is a woman who always honest to his husband Rama, and always respect him, and always help and support him in his work. And when reaches to the Rama, and Rama has a Vanvas also. So when according to the today generation, when there is a woman and a man, it could happen many times when they are away from each other, they are going to be another relation. It could be happen, but on that time, she teaches us some story about some information that we have to always honest to our member, our partner.
Okay, sir, I have a question for you, for the mem also. There is a very simple question. Don't you find that when pen is given in the hand of a person who does not know how to use it, so don't you find that it can be destructive for the society? Suppose earlier what happened, those people who used to be very intelligent became painter, writer, poet, etc. But nowadays ordinary people are also becoming poet, writer, painter, they draw many things. So don't you find that somewhere it is also bad for the society because they don't understand the essence of the things. Lord Shiva, the beautiful depiction of the picture Lord Shiva. You see, Lord Shiva has got very long hair. Long hair has been locked very well. On the locked hair there is a moon. On the head there is Ganga. You find that there is a snake in the neck of Lord Shiva. So don't you find that this picture tells you many things of men, what a beautiful message is conveyed by this picture I can't explain. But don't you find that nowadays Lord Shiva is presented as a toxicated Shiva. Toxicated Shiva. Lord Shiva is shown is a very furious person. He is shown in and always anger. So don't you find that somewhere common people are becoming director, producer and the artist? That's why it is happening.
Thank you, sir. You give the opportunity to me. This very great topic. Now, in current scenario, maximum youth show off just like Shiva. They also have long hair and they use the toxin, they use the drugs because they don't know vast knowledge about Shiva. Shiva is even single time don't take any toxin or drugs. They take the bad things. You can say it's a toxin. No, they take the toxin just like
Evils of society.
evils of society. And youth generation completely destroy his values, completely destroy. They have a long hair and he think I'm just like Shiva. Don't know dear. If you know the Shiva, then you realize that Shiva is the name of sacrifice, not show of his power, not show of his personality. If you give the sacrifice, then for society, if you completely destroy the evil of society, then some part of Shiva. I can say it's a totally depend of knowledge, lack of knowledge. Number of person say Ravana. Ravana is a very good, powerful, etc. He is a duffer.
Okay, so don't say.
Actually, no. Why? He actually every time say only Sita. What is the same? It means kidnap. But before this, he also do the number of bad things and number of women. He you can say destroy his career character. Number of
Here I would like to say means those who can have bad